Wichita Falls Ford, and I just wanted to take a quick walk around of our 2018 Buick Encore. It does have about 73,000 miles on it, so it does have the lifetime powertrain warranty. Got the 18-inch alloy wheels. It does have the power driver's seat. Got the ebony cloth interior. You do have Apple and Android CarPlay. You do have the backup camera as well. Plenty of space in the back seat. Got the clip holder in the middle. Take a look in the back. Still in really good condition. If you have any questions or if you're interested, please give me a call at 940-692-1121 and ask